What's up, friends? Thanks for joining us on the What's Up Pat channel. Today we are going to be going for a ride for health on our Thanksgiving Day bike ride.
Good morning, friends. Here we are on a morning ride. Come join us.
As we head out on a beautiful sunny day here in the Palm Springs area through the cities of La Quinta and Indian Wells, we are going to ride for health. So today, as I take you for a ride through the desert, I want to encourage you all to get out, get some fresh air, get some heart rates going, and take care of yourselves by doing a minimum of 30 minutes of heart-healthy activity each and every day. Here we are heading out into Indian Wells on a beautiful sunny day, enjoying our bike ride through the desert. As we ride over this bridge, over the wash, we see the beautiful Santa Rosa Mountains in the backdrop. What a beautiful day for a ride. What a beautiful day to keep yourselves healthy. And as we ride today, we reflect on this Thanksgiving weekend. We know that it has been a different year. It has been a challenging year. But we think about all the things that we have to be thankful for, because we are healthy. And for that health, we are thankful. We are thankful for the beautiful sunshine. We are thankful for the beautiful days. We are thankful for our family and our friends that surround us. For everyday conveniences, everyday luxuries, we are thankful. We are thankful that we have food on our tables. We are thankful that we have a roof over our heads. So I encourage you all on this American Thanksgiving weekend to also take pause and think of what you are thankful for. So here we are heading out on our bike ride into Indian Wells. I love the bike lanes that are wide and that keep us separated from the traffic. I love the fact that we can ride here and feel safe as we ride along these city streets. And as I say, continue to get out there, continue every day to do a minimum of 30 minutes of heart-healthy activity. Get your heart rate going. It is something that you will be thankful for as you maintain your health.
Hey friends, thanks for joining us for a ride today. I hope you all stay safe, stay healthy. Remember to get out there, get some fresh air, get some exercise, and keep that heart rate going for heart health, for a healthy life, and to keep you happy.
And continuing our bike ride, we are heading back into the city of La Quinta. This is the city I live in, the gem of the desert. Here we are re-entering the city of La Quinta. Stay safe, everyone, and remember to get out there and get a minimum of 30 minutes of exercise each and every day. Stay healthy.
Hey friends, thanks for joining us. Stay safe, stay healthy. Remember to get activity and exercise every day. Keep that heart healthy. Take care, guys.
And as we continue our bike ride through the city of La Quinta with the beautiful Santa Rosa Mountains in the backdrop, we are riding by St. Francis of Assisi Church here in the city of La Quinta. This is the beautiful church of which we are parishioners. Our church, St. Francis of Assisi, modeled after the Basilica of St. Francis in Assisi, Italy. Stay safe, everyone, and enjoy the views of our beautiful gem of the desert, the city of La Quinta.
Hey friends, thanks for joining us today for this short ride around the desert. I hope you all stay safe, stay healthy. Remember to get out there and get a minimum of 30 minutes of exercise every day to keep the heart healthy, to keep you healthy and happy and leading a productive life. Take care. Have a great day.